Big buys are rolling in on this brand new project called Yantra. A big buy that you see right there is starting to rock and roll. Total market cap for this brand new project is $1.13 million with about $170,000 in the actual liquidity, and it's sitting around $3.68. So it's still early in this project here. You can get this right on Uniswap by swapping your Ethereum for Yantra. I'll have the link in the description. This is not financial advice. This is something if you want to go ahead and do. I suggest you join the Telegram group, would have over around 600 members. In my understanding, there's more than 600 members in there. So go ahead, let you know, go ahead and say the captain send you to the actual Telegram group. Liquidity's locked for 999 years with a total supply of 333,333 with a true burn concept, and they called it Yantronomics, with 12% buy and 12% sale. What I like about this is that true burn concept, and has 6% every buy and 6% of every sale, with about 590 holders already in the ecosystem already. If I check out the holder count here, everything is still around that 1%, and even have a dead wallet here as well. So they have a true burn and also have a dead wallet inside the ecosystem, and they don't have much in supply. Remember, they started out with 333,000. Now they're down to 310,000 according to the Yantronomics. This thing could really explode over time. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and let's break this down in terms about what is Yantra all about. It's an instrument to support the masses on their crypto journey. The purpose of Yantra is to empower and fund the community with wealth generating tokens, just like this. Yantra works like a machine, removing tokens from the blockchain while providing additional liquidity to the pool for the remaining tokens. As I look at the roadmap, it looks very simple and very easy that we're looking at phase number 1, 2, and 3. Right now, we're about phase number 1 with the website already concept, marketing going out, Etherscan that I'm seeing there, and I'm just looking at the Etherscan. If I go back Etherscan, they're getting the Etherscan already ready. All thing I think they need to do is probably just add the logo here and maybe go ahead and add their website, but they're still in the phases of doing that. And then you got socials already going out. According to this, they got their socials already rocking and rolling. Now the phase number 2, 999 liquidity pool lock. That's really good, keeping things safe and secure in that standpoint. NFTs mint. So if I go down right up here, the NFTs are right there. 5,000 beautiful, rare, sacred geometry, the NFTs that you see right there. And then you also see influence marketing, buyback burns, and a DAO release. Phase number 3 is where things start getting really interesting with the staking platform to be released, and of course the DAO proposal and other things as well. According to this, the V2 website will be there in phase number 3. So to me, this looks like a promising project right here. You do have Yantra who's behind this, who's done a lot of amazing things in the crypto space. So shout out to Yantra pushing this thing 9% in the 24 hours, $3.68 in terms of the price here. A lot of room to grow, especially when you get big buys like that in a growing community that already had this amount of many people already. In my fact, I think it may be a little bit more that's coming in here. And you also have a true burn concept, so people can see that their things are rocking and rolling just by looking at the Etherscan. Because remember, every buy and sell transaction supply gets released from the blockchain, so that makes it one of the best things to look for in terms of you holding this. And of course, it does have liquidity locked for 999 years. So go ahead and check this out. Join the Telegram group. If it's something you want to do, look at the Uniswap. Take this nice and slow. If it's something you want to get early in the project, remember it's only $1 million market cap. Take a look at this. I think you may like it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, a true burn concept here, marketing, liquidity lock for, and you got a base dev, 12% tax, not bad at all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.